Hello and welcome to the L&N Autocare channel. In today's video I'm going to be reviewing the wet sealant 2 weeks after applying it. So let's get straight into it. The first clip, as you can see, I'm just using a steady stream of water to see if there's any hydrophobic properties left of the wet sealant. I applied the wet sealant 2 weeks ago as of recording this video. As you can see, there wasn't a lot of hydrophobicness left on the roof. There's quite a bit left on the glass and a bit on the higher side panels of the car. As we get down to the lower parts, where obviously there's a lot of high traffic from dirt and debris from the tyres and the wheels, it does seem like it has completely gone from these areas. Next up, I tried the bonnet. Obviously there's not such a high degree of angle on this panel. As you can see, there's barely anything there at all. The water still seems to be reacting, sort of sheeting off, but nowhere near what it was like when I first applied it. There you go, as you can see the car is quite dirty. I haven't washed it at this point. The rear screen has a little bit of hydrophobic properties left on it, whereas the boot hasn't got a lot. The one thing I did notice here, even when I was just using the steady stream of water, it was actually removing the dirt off the back of the car. So in this video I'm going to be using snow foam first of all to see if that brings it back a little bit. I'm going to be using Valet Chem products throughout this. Once I've applied the snow foam, I'm going to be using the Valet Chem shampoo and to try and see if any of the hydrophobicity or hydrophobic properties are still there, if the product is still on the car. So sit back and enjoy. As you can see, I've given the car a nice covering of snow foam, and I just let that dwell on there for about 5 minutes, as it wasn't too sunny, so it weren't in danger of getting the product baked onto the car. So this was after washing down the snow foam. As you can see, the roof still reacting the same, still not a lot of hydrophobic properties there. Glass on the side seems to be exactly the same as before I applied the snow foam. On the side of the vehicle, as you can see, there's something there, but not a lot. And then we go to the front door, still sort of sheeting off. Rear screen, pretty much the same as before I applied the snow foam, and the rear of the vehicle on the boot is still acting the same. There's still not a lot of hydrophobic properties there. So I go around to the front of the car again now on the bonnet. I can't remember if I applied any to the front windscreen, so I'm not going to comment on that. But on the bonnet, it did seem to be a little bit better. So I do apologise for the view. It was quite sunny when recording this. So next up is the car shampoo. So I'm going to do the generous 30ml to the bucket. And because everybody likes seeing bubbles, and this product definitely does give you plenty of bubbles in the bucket. So as I cleaned with a mitt, I did notice that the hydrophobic properties were definitely starting to come back. You can see the water just sort of separating and the soap separating in a nice way. Don't really know how to describe it. So I just do the roof, bonnet and the side of the vehicle. See if we can bring any of those properties back. Maybe the coating is just a little bit dirty. It just needs a bit of a clean over. Back to the roof with a steady stream of water again. And as you can see, I don't think there's any product whatsoever left on that roof. As the water is just not going anywhere. As you can see, it's just, there's no hydrophobic properties whatsoever left on our roof. There was no beading or anything around the car either. Same with the bonnet. I was expecting it to maybe come back a little bit, but no, there was nothing at all, as you can just about see. So I thought I'd just go back to the roof again, and this time use the actual jet wash. See if I could bring it back, see if we can get the water to react differently, and there was absolutely nothing there. One thing I will say is the shampoo and snow foam does do a good job of cleaning this car. You can just about see there's nothing left. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.